Welcome to Attack. If you face problem that your phone takes 3 to 4 hours for complete charging, then I will tell you that how you can enable super fast charging mode. So let's get started. First of all, open settings, and here you can find battery option. So scroll down and you can find charging settings. So on second and third number you can find fast charging and super fast charging mode. So enable them. Just click on enable button and turn them on. So in this way you can enable supercharging mode and your phone will be charged within 1 hour. If you like the video, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.